I think first of all, for me it was a perfect mix of uh, work, pleasure, leisure, and a lot of connect that happened in this conference. I think that was the best thing that we could achieve in this. And had that not been there, that fun part had not been there, I think we would have lost the purpose of this entire offsite. So good to see that how the team bonded, they worked together.
So the funny part, Rajdev, is that every restaurant we pass through has the same letter Dev Narayan Bhojanalaya. Isn't it amazing? We saw
Absolutely.
20 Dev Narayan Bhojanalaya. Like highway on my
Mr. Dipyaman! Yay! Dipyaman! Welcome, welcome. We are all having tea here in that beautiful, in this new beautiful cafe, and our boss is attending the call on our behalf.
This is from upward delegation.
Upward delegation.
something really good, but we cannot share it.
How was your call?
We were talking about something called upward delegation. No.
All I can say in this offsite is nicely framed and it's nicely faced, allowing us to get to know each other first and beat each other during our ideas flowing in, and letting us open, letting us relax and tone us down and put us back to the pedestal. This is really what stood out in my opinion. That allowed
was with all kind of a proper recipe. It start with an ingredient where people mix each other, talk to each other, know each other, and then slowly move to a overall objective, what we should do for the next quarter and next year and next 2 years and different projects. It was a fun working with and glad to know each other very well.
What a beautiful resort. We all are enjoying here. Pool, good food, music, dance, whatnot.
Another beautiful thing in this entire trip also was the fact that we had two of our colleagues, Samir as well as Dipyaman. Their birthdays were in this time frame, so it was great to celebrate both those birthdays on 4th and 5th of November. So congratulations, guys.
We'll be going in zone 1. Apparently zone 1 is the zone where no tiger is there.
Thankful finally we got together as a team and looking forward to the next 2 days. Today's agenda is to spot the tiger, come what may. And if not, we will have a recording of Rajdev doing the dance with the lion or tiger costume.
Excited to see tiger in this lovely morning, cool morning.
Let's see. Hope that actually will fight the tiger today. We have been told very clearly that there is no tiger, but we are all excited, and if things don't work out, we have another plan. Plan B, which is the tiger costume.
It's an adventurous mood, guys. Really enjoying it.
I'm very excited to have a lot of fun here with my colleagues and watch tiger. You can see a cute animal right next to me, and super excited.
By the way, sighting of the tiger was a one big challenge that we all figured on the day one, and I'm glad that Sandeep coaxed me to do the second day of the tricanter presence wherein we could at least see the tiger.
See the tiger, then they shouting very loudly. So, after watch out, is not success to hunt. Chalo.
Yeah, for me, I think that moment when the jeep just turned and you just got the first glimpse of the tiger. Wow.
On the right.
On the right. He said on the right.
Look at on the right side, here.
Now we can see it. थोड़ा आगे भी जाओ यार, थोड़ा आगे जाओ.
Raj is crossing. Look at. Get the tiger, yeah.
Conference today. I mean, this last 2 days we had excellent participation, all childlike. We let down all our defenses. We worked for one Wipro.
Beyond that, I think what we could achieve is, on the work front, what we could achieve is such a short time frame we could come back with some sort of approach, plans, methodology as to how we want to take some of the projects in the time to come. So I think that was a big achievement in terms of what we could get from this conference.
I think we had a very focused and intense discussion on being future ready, came up with strategic vision statements. We relived the visions and statement, what's going wrong, what's going right. We do have a clear plan. In such a short time, achieving that was, I think, one of the great achievements of the conference.
Ranthambore. This hugely helped us to meet our colleagues across geos in person, and as a result now we feel much more connected.
Everything went on well. I think whatever we could wanted to achieve, actually everything has been done in these 2 days of workshop sessions. Ultimately we enjoyed also.
It's been a fabulous offsite. Fabulous is an understatement. Tiger was the icing on the cake, but I think just getting everybody together, seeing everyone together, meeting people face to face, I think that was one of the best things. And singing sessions, and plus we did a lot of work, but it didn't seem like work, it was more like play.
Okay. जब से गए तुम रातें लेके आई कितनी आँखों पर कुछ ऐसे तुमने जुल्फ गिराई है बेचारे से कुछ ख्वाबों की नींद उड़ा दी है.
Fun with work.
Fantastic.
Can't end this without thanking Raj, who has been a perfect moderator for the session.
You can't just put it in one word. I mean, there's so many words that you can describe it. And then at this point of time, I am totally in awe of the way it has turned out. So totally in awe.
Matter. Near perfect.
If I have to sum it all up in one word, it would be connections. Thank you so much, Dinesh, for organizing this, and thank you to all my wonderful colleagues as well, and look forward to many more such interactions. So yes, all the best to the team.
Energetic, made friends, and happy with what we did.